Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Jasmy coin's price chart, and unfortunately in the short term I'm not really identifying the best size. So first things first, if you remember the last time that we talked about Jasmy, I think we were right in here and the idea was that this seems to be kind of a slow move on the upside, but even if you want to say the final low is already in, then okay, even in that scenario you need to wait a little bit more. Why? Because in case that you want to argue we have hit our final bottom, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside, and this was the main argument for why we do have to be patient in Jasmy. And I said what you want to see in case that the low is in is a 1 correction for 2 and then a rapid rise into wave 3, 4, 5. I said as long as we are not seeing that, it is going to be like way too soon to be optimistic and bullish. And even if we get this 5 wave on the upside, at that point it's not actually going to be a long opportunity. No. Why? Because after a 5 wave up, what are we going to have? One way or the other, bullish or bearish, we're going to have a move on the downside, and then assuming that we see the right structures in here, you know what, fair enough, that can be a long opportunity. And specifically we said what you do not want to see is maybe after a correction down, yet another move on the upside, and then a rather strong move down in order to take the loss. Why? Because at that point it's going to be confirmed that we are having some sort of a correction structure. Now, in terms of the shape of this correction, I believe yes, we can actually argue that starting from this point we are having like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into A, followed by that most likely an A, B, C flat into wave B, and yet another 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into wave 5. So this is so far an ABC zigzag. Also, I do believe this can be starting from here, excuse me, I just started drawing object, to about this high, yet another ABC. So what do we have on a higher degree? I'm willing to bet that this is going to be a WXY in form of a double zigzag, and the moment that in this phase down we took this important low about 1.25 cents, it did actually get confirmed. So right around these areas you could have counted on a continuation of this move down in order to take the lowest low as well down here about 1.24 cents. However, I do not believe this is going to be the end of the story, and I'm going to tell you what is going on in my mind in terms of Elliott waves. But before that, let me tell you this. In case that we see soon a move up in Jasmy, even let's say a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I need you to be very careful and not jump into any unnecessary bullish conclusion. Why? Because there is a chance that we may end up having an ABC expanded flat, and it looks like this. This is our initial move up into A, correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this low, and then another move into wave C, and in it we're going to take the height of our A leg. And in terms of the sub waves, ABC up into A, ABC or maybe WXY down into wave B, not really that important, and yet another 5 wave on the upside into our C leg. Now, what is going on in here? Sure, this can be a WXY, but at the same time, maybe you are able to also find in here an ABC zigzag, and if from here we're going to get a move up, then okay, at that point you are going to see me calling this move down an ABC. And again, even if this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a higher degree, what do you have? I'm gonna say probably the sub waves for a beautiful looking ABC flat, meaning from these areas we're gonna get yet another strong move down in order to take all the lows down here, which the lowest low currently is about 1.23 cents. So this is the first important point. The second one, you see, in terms of Elliott waves on some higher degrees, I'm not really sure if we have good news. Let's go on Coinbase. Okay, so here is the situation. In the previous video, we said starting from this high to about the lows, we can consider different possibilities. And we said in case that this specific move up is going to be a correction, well, okay, we can say maybe this is like a 1, 2, 3 correction for 4, another move down into wave 5, which on a higher degree might be into a wave 3 correction for 4, another move down into wave 5. What's the problem with this scenario? Well, unfortunately right now we really cannot say this is happening. Why? You see, this 1 2 3 4 5 is into this larger degree wave 3, right? Well, here's a very important point. For the sub waves, we are absolutely 100% not allowed to have the overlapping of the waves between our wave 2 and 4. However, as you can see, we are clearly having overlapping of the waves. So this scenario is not happening, and also it's actually a bit out of shape. And what is the alternate possibility? This is where the bad news kind of starts to show up. Okay, you see, I think we can say this is 1 2 3 4 5 wave down, followed by that, let's not even consider a WXY, let's just say an ABC, and on a higher degree, well, this is probably a wave 1 correction for wave 2, and what's next? Maybe a big move down into wave 3 4 5, and at that point, okay, if we see a very strong bounce with the proper subwaves, maybe we are going to be able to be bullish. But so far, this possibility, which is, I'm gonna say for now, kind of our primary case, suggests that our move down is actually going to continue for quite some time. And let's go back on our own chart. There we go. You see, there is a very, very important area of demand right in here between 1.1.5 to about 1.23 cents. And this is a problem. If we are going to have that 5 wave down that we talked about seconds ago, then okay, it means we are going to, during that phase, break this important support. And what's the problem with this? Well, under here, I do not believe that we are having a whole lot of strong support. So maybe in Jasmy coin, we are going to break this area and then reach to about the next important level, which is all the way down here between 0.9 of a cent to about exactly the 1 cent area, meaning from the current point we can expect like a 22% move on the downside. Is the scenario at the moment confirmed? No, nothing is confirmed yet. When will it get confirmed? When we get a move down, our initial move under this level, followed by that a pullback, and then a continuation of the move down. At that point, you can kind of, I'm gonna say, confidently argue this move down is going to continue, and that's not really going to be the only problem. Now, the next issue is going to be reclaiming it. Even if you want to say our move down in Jasmy is going to end here, then okay, having a 1 2 3 4 5 wave up followed by a correction down is probably going to take some time, meaning you are going to most likely have some serious boring price action. And I know this really pissed a lot of people off, but you know, it is what it is. The chart really doesn't listen to you and me. And again, I want to be very clear. This bearish scenario right now is not confirmed yet, although a lot of signs are pointing to it happening. But if you want to make sure this is going on, then okay, just wait a little bit more and see, are we breaking this level or not? If we do it, that is going to be pretty much our alternate confirmation. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Jasmy coin's price chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.